You still raising bottle calves?
Yeah. You're not? It's too expensive.
Yep.
Yeah. They came down a little bit.
Yeah, they have come down the last little bit, but we're still paying $4.50.
You buying from Mennonite or?
No, there's 3 farms that we buy from.
That's the way to do it, though.
Better than
So today we're setting up the bin, and in front of me we're putting on the vents on the roof, and we're putting on the seal, and then what we got to do, mount the camera back up here for a second. There we go. We got to flip the vents over once we get the seal on, set them down, and then we fit the bolts through and secure it down.
Your average size bin, or what's the biggest one you put up?
The biggest one I put up is a 4810, which is about 65,000 worth.
Really?
So this isn't too bad. There's a lot of stuff to this one with that stir raiser.
Production code on this says 9/21/2015.
Don't have much of a backlog, huh?
Eagle go right here. That one.
You have a drone overhaul?
I haven't, no. It's about mid-afternoon now, and they just came back with the new ring for around the top of the new bin. We had another one that was meant for a 30-footer, but this bin is a 36-footer. So the ring that we had was too small, so they had to go get a new one, which is bigger. So now they're going to go up and mount that ring up on top, and then we're going to start mounting the roof sections. Since we drug them all into place and put them where they need to go, now we just got to lift them into place and secure them. And I'm not exactly sure how much we'll be getting done today after we get the roof up. I know that the electrician has to come tomorrow and he has to start doing the wiring and stuff for it on the inside. And I don't think that they're going to come and work on the bin tomorrow until probably 5 o'clock or so. So it should be interesting to see how much we get done today.
Okay. Yeah, move me over to the fourth one. Right there.
You got nuts?
Yep.
There's perch, nobody else. No wonder you were good with my dad when we were going out.
How many more are there?
2 more.
The next 3 we won't do. Give me a burr rein.
Now what? Drying.
That didn't sound good.
Good. Is that it?
Yeah.
All right.
Travis. Right here. I need a wrench though. Let's go on. Can we go around that way?
You just want to put nuts in? We can.
If I can stay up on the roof without slipping off.
Well, the whole idea is put your boots on the bird to be done, okay?
Okay.
Just do the one round, then we'll put the compression ring
Yeah.
in.
Okay. Good. Yep.
Throw your couple or?
Need like 10.
You need nuts too, or?
No, just the bolts. That should be good. Thanks. So we just finished our first day of putting up the brand new Sioux 20,000 bushel drying bin of ours. And I don't know how many of you have ever put up a bin for yourselves before and have actually had to help put it up, but that is a lot of work. I'm so beat, and we're gonna have to keep going tomorrow night after 5 o'clock when they come back to start building again. But it's a lot more work than what it looks like, and the bin from the inside doesn't really look that big, but from the outside it looks a lot bigger than what you'd think. And this thing is going to be a monster, so hopefully within the next few days things go as expected, and we can have her all set up and everything. But I had no idea what I was getting myself into when we first started building this bin, and now, you know, if I had to go through and put up another one just like this, I think that I could go through and do a lot of it without even being told what to do, because it's kind of the stuff that once you learn to do it, it's like, okay, this goes here, that goes there. And all the bolts and everything are mostly the same size. There aren't too many variances in bolt sizes and stuff like that, because they want to make it easy to put together after they manufacture it. And speaking of manufacturing it, it came from Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and the production date on some of the parts is actually 2 days ago. So they were telling us that that the semi was having some issues and stuff like that, and maybe they just didn't have the parts for it, because they keep saying that this time of the year is, you know, they don't really have anything in stock or nothing, and it comes right off the manufacturing line. So we think some of the parts, well, it says right on it that they were manufactured 2 days ago. So that's pretty quick from manufacturing to being out there and being built. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and be sure to stay tuned. We're not done building it yet, and there's plenty more work to go on the floor, and the stirrators and everything has to be built up. So be sure to keep watching, and be sure to look out for what she looks like in the end. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.